are the smallest whole unit of matter that exists. Atoms are made up of protons, which have a positive charge, neutrons, which are neutral, and electrons, which have a negative charge. Normally, atoms have a neutral charge since the amount of protons and electrons are the same. Atoms have a nucleus which is tiny, but makes up most of the mass. An electron is so small that the relative mass of an electron is negligible, while the others have a mass of around 1. Atoms are given an atomic number and a mass number each. The atomic number shows the number of protons in the atom. Elements are pure substances made of atoms. All the atoms of an element have the same atomic number, which is used to detect how many protons there are. The mass number is the amount of protons plus neutrons. Therefore, the amount of neutrons can be found out by subtracting the atomic number from the mass number. Isotopes are atoms with the same element which have the same number of protons, but different number of neutrons. All isotopes of the same element go through the same chemical reactions. Ions are atoms or groups of atoms that are charged due to the loss or gain of electrons. Metal and hydrogen atoms lose electrons to form cations, which are positively charged ions. On the other hand, non-metal atoms gain electrons to form anions. The way to tell if an atom loses or gains an electron is simple. The atoms lose or gain electrons to form a full outer shell, one just like the noble gases. This is a process that happens to reach an electronic arrangement that is more stable. It doesn't work for all element groups, but it works for groups 1, group 2, group 3, group 5, group 6, and 7. Another way you can find if they lose or gain an electron is by rounding it up or down. Groups 3 and below will lose their electrons, but group 5 and above will gain electrons, as it is the quickest way to have a full valence shell.